Good evening, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on December 28th, 2018. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. And while we were all busy at work today, we had a very active and seismic day. A lot of strong winds moving into BC coastline. Alberta Chinook moving into Calgary. High winds for today and tomorrow. But we also have latest update here of a 6.9 earthquake in the Philippines, sending tsunami warnings in the Pacific Ocean to the surrounding areas. Mindanao, Philippines, 7.2 tsunami warning. This earthquake was a 6.9, 84 kilometers southeast of Pandaguintan, Philippines. So this area has been very active as of late. All of the volcanoes are going off, and also a lot of deep earthquakes on both opposite sides of this area. We had deep earthquakes in Fiji and deep earthquake in Japan as well. So this is a very unstable area, as we all might know. But this 6.9 earthquake, I literally forecasted that today with a friend in the elevator at work. I said, watch for a larger, shallower earthquake. 6.9, 84 kilometer depth in the Philippines. Now this was reported just about an hour ago. It happened at around 4 a.m. their time in the Philippines. So, wakey wakey, the Philippines with a 7.2 tsunami warning and a 6.9 earthquake. You can see here on the earthquake map, very large 6.9. This is the last 24 hours for earthquakes from around the world. 59 kilometer depth. So they are projecting anything from the 300-mile epicenter of this earthquake to expect a tsunami. It's a pretty shallow earthquake. You see here just northwest of it, there was the 4.6, pretty deep, 140 kilometers. This is the last 24 hours for earthquakes from around the world. Caribbean still very busy. Strange earthquake in Iceland today. And then there's a large, vigorous, low-pressure system there. It's going to be dropping a lot of snow, but I will be getting into that soon. But first, I just want to explore the earthquakes over the last 7 days. You can see this was a quiet region. There wasn't many earthquakes. But the deep earthquakes to the south and to the north of it, I kind of expected this today. Forecasted it. Now, I didn't forecast it in a video. I only forecasted it to a workmate. So, but here it is. These are all the depths of the earthquakes the last 24 hours. Let's just move it up a few days. 427 kilometer depth in Japan. .592 in Fiji. So this was yesterday. 600 kilometer depth. That is a very deep earthquake. And we've been having a lot of them recently in this region. I want to thank all of my new subscribers from around the world. I've gotten a lot recently. Welcome to Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, where I post my severe weather analysis and disaster alerts from around the world and the odd forecast for an earthquake warning. I'm watching the quiet zone here in North America yet again. Just look at the last 7 days. Very quiet. Small earthquakes. So still, subduction zone and Cascadia, Alaska. Just got reports that the Cleveland volcano in Alaska has gone off. Just going to look at the Pacific Disaster Center here. We're also looking at the extreme cold temperatures in South Korea, as well as central and eastern China. Across the northern hemisphere, we are seeing these extremities already, as well as Saskatchewan and Manitoba, Canada. Extreme cold warnings. Also extreme wind warnings for today and tomorrow here in Alberta as the Chinook winds move in. Here we're looking at all the moisture falling right now across the eastern seaboard. Tons of it, and that is why we've got flood warnings all across the southeastern United States. Now over here at Windy TY, this shows the next 5 days for the wind over our planet at surface level. So watching this large, vigorous, low-pressure system that came from Russia over the next few days, it's going to be bringing a lot of strong winds and moisture towards the Alaskan Peninsula and British Columbia Mountains. The Rockies are going to be filling up with probably 200 centimeters of snow. But you can watch that strange line, intertropical convergence, equatorial warm moisture mixing with a polar vortex. Two extremes create an extreme, and looking at these lows across the northern hemisphere, things are changing drastically. So please stay aware and prepared. Share this channel with all of your friends and family from around the world. I really appreciate all of your support, your viewership, and your love. Much love to you all. I wouldn't be doing this without you guys. I miss you all. I haven't done live streams for a little while. Very busy, keeping steady with work. But I still want to help and keep people aware and prepared. Like this cyclone the next few days moving across northeastern Australia into Queensland. Also, very large low-pressure systems, southern hemisphere. Later in the week, you can see that one developing just south of Australia. I'm just going to show you here the next 10 days for snowfall accumulation across North America and Alaska. This is the next 3 days, the next 10 days. You can see amounts adding up to 200 centimeters in some areas throughout British Columbia and Alaska over the next 10 days. And Calgary missing all of the snowstorms that are heading across from BC. Chinook winds not allowing any moisture to fall in the area. I want to thank you for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family from across the world.